Merhaba arkadaşlar. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, we are in Unit 3. This week we started a new unit, and our Unit 3 is about the objects and the classroom objects and the things that we have all around us. So in this unit, we learn how to ask and answer the question of what is this, what are these, is this, like this type of questions, right? So what do we have here? As you see, like we are in week 7 and we are almost done with this unit. So I just want to talk about what we have done so far. Unit 3 general. This is the document that you guys need to refer to when you are working on my assignments. So let me just open this up at the same time. So this tab is going to be on the top all the time. In this unit, what did we learn? You see, like some of you guys are already doing your assignments, which is great. I really appreciate that you are working on your assignments. So in this unit, we learned new words. Actually, some of these words, we already learned them back then in Unit 1 and 2. As you see, we are in Unit 3 now. So I just want to go over this one more time. Harita was map. Masa, we learned these words already. Table. Sandalye is chair. Kitaplık is bookshelf. Tahta is board. Bilgisayar is computer. Kitap is book. Defter is notebook. Kalem is pen or pencil. Silgi is eraser. Çanta is bag. Sıra is desk. Kedi is cat. Köpek is dog. Sözlük is dictionary. Okul is school. Cetvel is ruler. Öğretmen is teacher. Öğrenci is student. And gözlük is eyeglasses. We learned these words already. So in this unit we also learned new questions. Yeni sorular. We learned only 3 questions so far. The question number 1 is bu ne, which means what is this? And question number 2 is bunlar ne? What are these? So when we are asking about one single object, we are asking what is this, which means bu ne? And then we say like what are those? Like, you know, if it is more than one thing, we say bunlar ne? So the answer for these questions are so simple. So question number 1, bu ne? In order to answer that, you just need to get rid of the question ne, which means what, right? So you need to say bu bir and then whatever the thing is. So bu bir kalem, bu bir kitap. So you need to say this is something, right? So question number 2 is bunlar ne? What are these? In order to answer this question, you just need to get rid of ne and then say whatever the object is. Bunlar ne? What are those? Bunlar kalem. These are pencils or whatever. So in order to answer the last question, in order to say is this or are these questions, you just need to right here, you just need to, you see like it says is this or are these. So you're gonna say bu, then whatever the name of the object that you're asking about. For example, if you're saying like is this a pen, you need to say, for example, bu first, right? Bu. Then what was the word pen? It was kalem, right? So you need to say bu kalem, and then you need to say mi, right? Is this a pencil? If I'm pointing out a pencil and say is this a pen, which means bu bir kalem mi, then you need to say evet, yes, evet. Bu bir kalem, yes, this is a pencil. Evet, bu bir kalem. Bu bir kalem. You see, bu bir, this is a, and then kalem, pencil. If it is not like the if it is not like, you know, correct, if I say like, hey, is this a backpack, but I'm pointing a pencil, I mean obviously this is not a backpack, right? I'm gonna ask like, is this a backpack, for example? Bu çanta. You remember backpack was çanta. We learned that right here. Çanta is bag. Bu çanta, bu çanta mı? Is this a backpack? Obviously it's not. Then you're gonna say hayır, which means no. Then you're gonna say bu çanta değil. This is not a notebook. Çanta değil. Değil means not, right? Hayır, bu çanta değil. Then you need to say bu bir kalem. This is a pencil, right? So we also learned how to make sentences negative in this unit. In order to make the words not negative, I'm sorry. In order to make the words plural, in order to make the words like more than one, we add lar or ler. So how are we going to determine which one we are going to be using in our words? So we need to look at the last vowels again. If the word that we are using ends with a, o, or u sounds, you're going to add lar. If the word ends with e, e, or ü sounds, you're gonna add ler. For example, kitap is book, right? In order to say books, you need to look at this. You see the last vowel is a, and right here, so I have to say kitaplar. In order to say notebooks, notebook was defter, right? So I'm looking at my last vowel, it's e, defterler. So let's do this together. Tahta, for example, board. So how am I going to say boards? So I'm going to look at the last vowel again. Tahta ends with a sound right here, right? So I have to add tahtalar, right? So now it means boards. Öğretmen, it was teacher, right? You remember? And it is right here. Öğretmen is teacher. In order to say teachers, so I'm going to look at the last vowel again. Öğretmen. It is e sound, you see? So it's this one, right? E. So I'm going to say öğretmenler. That means teachers. You see, I gave you guys the second and third one, the third and fourth one, I'm sorry. Okul, it means school, right? So okul end with u. So it's right here, right? So I have to say okullar. And then gözlükler is the next one. So these are the example sentences. So it says bu ne? What is this? Bu bir kalem. This is a pencil. Bunlar ne? And then we say bunlar defter. These are notebooks, right? And then the next question is bunlar kitap mı? Are these books? And then you say evet bunlar kitap. Yes, these are books. Bunlar telefon mu? Are these phones? Hayır, bunlar telefon değil. These are not notebook. These are not phones. Bunlar kalem. Bu kim? We will talk about that later on. So here, bu bir öğretmen mi? Is this a teacher? It is, right? So you're going to say evet, bu bir öğretmen. Bu bir öğretmen mi? Is this a teacher? Obviously not. It's a student. So you're going to say hayır, bu bir öğretmen değil. This is not a teacher. Bu bir öğrenci. This is a student. Right? So this is what we need to do. Okay? So that's what we learned so far. And for example, today's assignment, today is Friday, and today's assignment is basically wrapping up like everything what we learned. So I'm gonna just open that up for you. This assignment actually is a very great assignment because it literally tells you the words in order. So for example, I gave you an example. So this is my pencil. So how do we say this is? It means bu. How do you say my? It means benim, right? How do you say pencil? It is kalem. So you see bu benim kalem, but I also added my suffix at the end because I used the subject benim. So I have to say bu benim kalem im. This is my pencil. In order to say these are, that's gonna be bunlar, and then her is onun, and then books is kitaplar. You see, I use the sound at the end because that's the suffix of onun, right? So you see the first example is this is my ruler. Bu benim cetvelim. It means this is my ruler. In order to say this is not my ruler, bu benim cetvelim. So I basically copied and pasted the same thing because that's what it is. So this is my ruler. And again, this is my ruler again, but the last word is değil, which means not. In order to make words negative in Turkish, you have to add değil at the end, okay? So this is not my ruler, okay? So bu benim cetvelim, this is my ruler. Bu benim cetvelim değil. This is my ruler, not. So basically it means this is not my ruler, okay? So this is how you guys are gonna do this this assignment. So hopefully this example helped you. If you guys have any other questions, please do not hesitate to ask me during our daily Zoom sessions, which is at 10:30. Okay. Have a great weekend, guys.